Hello everyone, welcome to this series on English tenses. In today's lesson, we will discuss about future continuous tense. Are you ready? Let's start. The future continuous tense describes an action that will be ongoing at a specific time in the future. For example, he will be teaching English in Japan. This sentence describes an action that will be ongoing in the future. Let's discuss some characteristics of future continuous tense. The future continuous tense emphasizes duration or ongoing actions. For example, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., I will be attending meetings. This sentence also describes an action that will be ongoing during the specified time period in the future. Like the meetings will take place between 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. The future continuous tense also used for planned or scheduled events. For example, I will be meeting with my doctor at 2 p.m. tomorrow. This sentence effectively communicates a scheduled events using the future continuous tense. It means the sentence specifies that meeting will take place at 2 p.m. tomorrow. The future continuous tense also used with time expressions like at, during, from. For example, at 5 p.m. during summer, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Now let's understand with examples how to use time expressions in future continuous tense. For example, at 8 p.m. tonight, I will be studying for 3 hours. Second example is, I will be studying during summer break. Let's discuss the sentence structure of future continuous tense. To form simple sentences, you need to follow the following structure: subject, will be, verb with ing form. Let's understand with example. They will be launching their new product in 6 months. To form negative sentences, you just need to add not between the auxiliary verb will and linking verb be. For example, he will not be working on his project during the holidays. To form interrogative sentences, the auxiliary verb will comes first. Will, subject, then linking verb be with the main verb with ing form. For example, will she be working on her project during the summer? And as we already discussed in our previous videos, please don't forget to add the question mark at the end of interrogative sentences. Thanks for watching.